Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Luqman Hakim, number medic 27360. Today we want to bring our report about road transport congestion. For introduction, the problem of road comfort traffic congestion is urban areas is a global issue, and this situation has caused depression and impact on the environment as well as the psychology of the population. After that, residents are facing difficult scenario on daily traffic jam to get around the city. Transportation is one of the most significant contributor to environment pollution, especially in metropolitan areas. Finally, the issue is not limited to means of transportation. It also includes hazardous road infrastructure, such as lack of clear road dividers, broken surface, and so on. Unsystematic itineraries are major cause of traffic congestion. We have to accept the fact that unsystematic itineraries are due to weakness in itinerary management. Adaptive expenses shift fares are incorrect. People are willing to own a car to reduce money expenses. There is a clear explanation for the lack of buses and taxis. As a result, public buses are not the most popular transportation for passengers traveling from one location to another nearby location or vice versa. Finally, poor quality and information service are not another source of traffic congestion. Furthermore, the most buses are dirty, hot, smelly, and convenient.
My name is Kawilun and my metric number is 279052. Now I'm going to talk about the effects of traffic congestions. First of all, the economic industries are heavily impacted. The traffic congestions will lower the productivity level, and it will cause the people to miss out potential business opportunity, and it will increase the entire nation's cost of living. Secondly, it will impact the social level of the country. It will increase the road violence and increase the risk of road accident as the traffic congestion is happening. Thirdly, the environmental issues will be increased as well. The air and noise pollutions will arise, and also because of these emissions of the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides, and all these harmful gases. Now I'm going to move on to the second part, which is the importance of stable traffic flow. And a stable traffic flow will help to save time and money, and it will improve the economy of the country because of the stable traffic flow. Moving on, I will talk about the steps to improve the traffic. The government can expand the road lane to make the road capacity larger for vehicles to travel in the traffic. These steps can not only expand the road lane to allow the vehicle to fit into the lane, but it also helps the vehicle in the road to travel at a much higher speed so that they can move around faster and quicker without stuck in the traffic. The government can also consider reducing the toll in some crowded highway and use technology in the toll system to collect money by using the satellite electronic road pricing reader to pay the toll. Other than that, the government can build more public facility by increasing the public transportations like the bus, LRT, and the train system to enhance the transportation system to provide more alternatives to the users. That's all from me.
Hello, my name is Tengku Muhammad Farid Hidayat and my metric number is 276272. I will present to you a traffic classification. Traffic classification is an automated process which categorizes computer network traffic according to various parameters. For example, based on port number or protocol into a number of traffic classes. So between 1996 and 2002, Boris Kerner developed the three-phase traffic theory called the traffic flow theory. It primarily focused on traffic breakdown mechanism and congested highways. Kerner divides traffic into three stages, but standard theory based on a fundamental traffic flow diagram divides into two: free flow and heavy traffic. Kerner's approach divides traffic congestion into two stages: synchronized flow and broad mobile congestion, totaling three phases: free flow, synchronized flow, and wide mobile congestion. So for the next part is for the countermeasures. The countermeasures is to improve, it includes to improve the infrastructures, urban planning and design. And the road traffic congestion monitoring includes the monitoring to obtain information on different traffic parameters such as the number of vehicles per unit of time, vehicle classification, average speed, individual speed of each vehicle, and lastly is the traffic congestion monitoring scheme that includes data collection, vehicle detector data collection, and real-time vehicular data collection. Thank you very much. That's it for my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
For the calculation, most major cities around world face the same issue. Bangkok City in Thailand, Jakarta in Indonesia, Manila in Philippines, Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. The need for transportation has increased as a result of demographic change such as growth and migration. Traffic congestion has caused significant disruption to the environment and physiology of the population. The traffic congestion scenario in Malaysia has never reached the level before. The phenomenon is more chronic and worries all parties. Additionally, some cause of traffic congestion still occur along the way, even though public transport and provided. Finally, the government budget allocation for public facility is believed to be lower because the government is more focused on the physical growth of the country rather than improving the well-being of society. That is also because just of the high fare cost, some are willing to own a car. Thank you.